Hello everyone, I am ZEROVIRO. Thank you for joining me today. We are standing at the threshold of a hydrogen-powered future, and at the heart of that vision lies a remarkable technology, proton exchange membrane electrolysis. Proton exchange membrane electrolysis is a method that uses electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. At its core is a thin polymer membrane, a sulfonated tetrafluoroethene-based fluoropolymer. This membrane does two jobs. It allows protons to pass through while acting as a barrier that prevents hydrogen and oxygen gases from recombining. The industry-standard membrane today is Nafion, originally developed by DuPont. Reinforced with PTFE, better known as Teflon, this membrane resists gas crossover and degradation. Together with catalyst-coated electrodes, it forms what's known as a membrane electrode assembly. This is where the electrochemical magic happens. On one side, platinum nanoparticles catalyze the hydrogen evolution reaction. On the other, iridium or iridium oxide drives the oxygen generation. These precious materials are precisely applied using techniques like electrolysis plating and direct transfer methods. Let's also take a quick look under the hood at the process itself. The system begins with deionized water, pumped from a separation tank through a cooler, ion exchange filter, and then into a bank of electrolyzer stacks. Inside these stacks, water is split with the help of direct current. Oxygen is carried by water flow to an oxygen separation tank, while hydrogen, now a wet pressurized gas, crosses the membrane and exits at pressures of 20 to 80 bar, while the oxygen side remains at atmospheric pressure. This pressure differential helps prevent oxygen from contaminating the hydrogen stream. The hydrogen then moves to a pressurized hydrogen-water separator, and from there to a secondary atmospheric separator where any dissolved hydrogen is recovered. Meanwhile, water is returned to the system for recirculation. Modern proton exchange membrane systems now operate at current densities up to 2.5 amperes per square centimeter, with hydrogen purity exceeding 99.999%, and energy consumption as low as 55 to 65 kilowatt-hours per kilogram of hydrogen produced. That equates to an 80% efficiency rate at the cell level, a true feat of engineering. But pushing performance has consequences. Higher voltages and pressures improve output, but they also accelerate wear. Chemical degradation, corrosion above 2 volts, and gas crossover all threaten long-term durability. Yet innovation hasn't stopped. Advanced coating technologies, internal gas recombiners, optimized flow field designs, and automated balance of plant systems are all being deployed to tackle these challenges. These improvements not only enhance resilience but also allow us to stack more cells, more compactly and economically, scaling up hydrogen production without scaling up losses. And it's not just about better engineering, it's about smarter materials. We're now seeing the rise of non-noble metal catalysts. For example, boron-capped clathrochelate cobalt complexes are being explored as alternatives to platinum. While replacing iridium remains a more formidable challenge, research is advancing quickly. Membranes are evolving, too. New polymer chemistries like short sidechain PFSA variants, for instance, Equivian, enable operations at higher temperatures, even beyond 120 degrees Celsius. These regimes promise higher efficiency and lower overall system costs. Naturally, safety is paramount. Normal precautions for high-voltage systems apply. The electrolyzer must be earthed through the mains power cable. And a critical note, electrolyzer stacks can retain a residual charge for up to several hours after shutdown. Personnel should not enter the stack compartment until full discharge has occurred and confirmed. So, where do we go from here? The future of proton exchange membrane electrolysis is modular, intelligent, and renewable powered. Systems are being designed to follow solar and wind variability, ramp up and down quickly, and connect seamlessly with digital grid infrastructure. As carbon pricing intensifies, as decarbonization mandates grow stricter, and as green hydrogen begins to outcompete fossil hydrogen on cost, proton exchange membrane technology won't just follow the transition. It will lead it. From powering heavy industry to fueling zero-emission transport, proton exchange membrane electrolysis is no longer just a lab-scale marvel, it's becoming the cornerstone of a clean energy economy. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time and watching my video. Really appreciate you sticking around until the end. Awesome. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss future videos like this. Got a question or a topic you'd love me to cover? Drop a comment below, I'm always excited to hear from you.